Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be going over all of the patterns I teach in my Indigo Tie-Dye Shibori workshop. First is going to be the wrapped lines pattern, then the organic stripes, next is the bold stripes pattern, then is the chevron pattern. Next will be the undulating chevron pattern, and then the nail burrito. And next will be the crisscross pattern, followed by the diagonal stripe, and last but not least, the diamond pattern. The circular patterns are the concentric circle pattern, the web pattern, Kumo Shibori or the jellyfish pattern, the classic spiral pattern, the nail head pattern, the polka dot pattern, and the wrapped mandala pattern. Geometric patterns. First I'm going to go over the window pane pattern, then the diamond pattern. Next will be a kaleidoscope, then the star pattern, the hexagon flower pattern, the triangles pattern, the firework pattern, and then I have a few bonus ones in this section. That concludes all of the examples, and I hope to see you in the class.